Good morning, everybody. It's Monday morning, week before Labor Day, or 2 weeks before, no, week before Labor Day, and I'm back here for T3 Live. So I'm going to be here for an abbreviated week, but overall, obviously, the last 2 weeks we've had a nice little uptrend that has been tradable, respected all levels, and the fact is, you know, it wasn't expected in August, and that's key. Excuse me. The fact is, everybody hates this rally. CNBC's talking about it. Institutions are talking about it. That's why it's happening, and that's why possibly it might continue. Now, the key is how do you really maneuver accordingly? And part of it, you know, I think we're at the point where we're getting to overbought a little bit, which means I'm not putting on a whole lot of new longs. You know, I'll be trading from the long side, which I have been for, you know, a period of time at this point, but I'm not going to be putting on, you know, loading in, you know, macro longs at this point. I needed to see either two things, either digestion, which means we base up at this level for another week or two, possibly into Labor Day, or a little back in filling, meaning we come back in a little bit, try to retrace to, you know, key moving averages, whether it's 21-day, whether it's 50-day on some of these key stocks, leadership stocks, and then find another opportunity to get back involved a little bit heavier. That's the key. I mean, leadership, it's not lacking at this point in time. Apple, up again today, 650, 652. You know, like I said, I think you're seeing before the announcement on the iPhone, the 5S actually comes out. I think it's a minimum 665, but we're already at new highs. Probably is going to break through there. So I think still look at it on the long side. Might be getting a little tired, but I think you're going to need that blow off to get it really tired. Google, same type of stock. It's leadership. These two are going to go toe-to-toe, I think, till the end of the year. So if you're just looking at Apple, I think you got to put Google on the radar accordingly. As I said the other day, you know, transports are hanging in there. Banks really aren't doing anything. Banks, brokers. If they start to wake up, you're going to have lots of, you're going to have new highs in this tape across the board. There's been good rotation. I don't think that's going to stop. And I think you just have to be strategic. And every day last week we had a new industry group that was moving up, that was really breaking new highs, or was really having a, you know, a nice little uptick. Friday was a lot of the retailers. You had Ralph Lauren, Lululemon broke a downtrend, which I think is good. Coors had some good follow through. So you're having a good degree of stocks. You got to obviously spread yourself out a little bit more than maybe some would like, but understand, you know, the industry groups, they're telling you the story. And this rally seems to be lasting. Again, doesn't mean you put on new longs. It's I would in fact be taking some stuff off, going into the next, you know, I'm going to be taking some off because I'm going to be away, but I would be taking some stuff off going into this week. Letting the market tell you what's really going to happen. Is it going to hover here for the next week or two, or are we going to come back down? That will give us create a new buying opportunity across the board. So this morning, my A+ focus, you know, I see LVS up, which I like. I think it broke a little bit of a downtrend. Using 40 as a level, I've been long. I think every time it gets to 40, you're going to be able to buy this at this point in time. Apple, certainly on the radar. Google, as I said. Another one I like, and, you know, it's a little bit of a sleeper, and it had great earnings. FIO, I think, is interesting, and I think it could continue to stay interesting and ideally stay in play. You know, using 26 as a level, which it broke out from after earnings, and we'll have to wait and see. But overall, guys, you know, my guns aren't raised, and, you know, I'm not shooting bullets right now. I'm just waiting and biding my time and looking for opportunities. I mean, the leadership is certainly Apple and Google at this point, and that's where my attention's going to be, and see what industry group wakes up next. Good luck. Stay prudent. I'll talk to you later.
Hello everybody, my name is Pete Renzulli, Chief Marketing Officer of T3Live.com. Really excited about introducing you to and inviting you to the first T3 Live Active Trader Summit. There's going to be a ton of great content, but the #1 reason you want to come is you want to be able to network and associate with other like-minded people who have a burning desire to learn how to be a trader. So I'm going to ask you to make a trade. Trade one Saturday for some of your time to come down and learn strategies, tactics, techniques, and put some faces to the people that you see in the virtual trading floor in T3 Live, and learn to take your trading bigger. Learn how to be a better trader than you are now. Learn the strategies. It's going to be a lot of fun. Go to T3Live.com and register. If you would like to join us at the post-event cocktail reception. You can also upgrade to either premium or VIP. That's up to you, but either way, please take advantage of the general admission. 2 free tickets. Come down and expect to have a great time.